Hello my YouTube friends, this is Not Mechanic here, and today I'm working on my Craftsman lawnmower T110. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the air filter. And the air filter that I got was the one that also has the pre-filter on it. And the way to replace this filter is you have to just pick this up right here. All you do is put your hands here, you raise this up, and your filter is right here. I removed the hood just to show you, just to give you a better view of how to replace this filter. Right here we have these two clips here, like they look like buttons. And all you have to do is just take this and turn it. You have a lock and an unlock, and all you do is just unlock it one and unlock it. Let me show you that again closely. What I did was, you see you have a lock and unlock. It's in both sides. So all I did was, it was like this lock. It was locked. So now all we're going to do is unlock it. Once we unlock it, all we have to do is just grab it here and it comes off. And there goes your filter. All we have to do to remove the filter is just pull this up like this and pull it back and it comes out. You take your new filter with your pre-filter and you see the hole there, you put it in here, you push this in and this down. There goes your filter. Now right here there are two holes here. What you're going to do with these holes is you have this locking things that we pulled out before, that we put it unlock, and we have to put this aligning. There's a line there with the holes, and all we have to do is put this here, look from over here, and all we have to do is just spin it, and once you spin it, we lock it. You do the same thing here, you spin it, and then you lock it. So you have replaced your filter on your T110 lawnmower. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.